And DOTC Secretary Joseph Emilio Abaya wants a stop to what he calls shortcuts in the country's flying schools. At the same time, Abaya advises officials and personnel of agencies under the DOTC to toll the Daang Matuwid program of President Aquino. Added details from Noel Perfecto.
The message of the new Secretary of Transportation and Communications was loud and clear when he faced the officials and employees of the Philippine Coast Guard during the celebration of its 111th anniversary. Stop all forms of corruption in agencies under the DOTC and follow the Straight Path program of President Benigno Aquino III. This was a directive issued by Secretary Joseph Emilio Abaya to officials who attended the said occasion. The Secretary mentioned the just concluded investigation on a plane crash that killed former DILG Secretary Jesu Robredo and 2 pilots. Abaya said he has authorities from CAP to stop anomalies, particularly those involving the so-called shortcuts being made by flying schools in the country.
Unang-una, we suspend people who are well, at least preventively suspend. I heard CAP has preventively suspended an individual. Ang kasunod po niyan ay CAPO ay mag-iimbestiga dahil sila ang in charge for determining criminal and administrative liability. Ang mahalaga dito ay ma-enforce at ma-implement yung ating rules and regulations. Sa assessment ng investigation report, halos walang pagkukulang sa regulasyon. Ang pagkukulang yung implementasyon, yung pagkakataon na nagkakaroon ng kakutsaba, ng shortcut, ng minabadali ang proseso na mahalagang gawin. Yun ang lumabas. So paghihigpit at siguraduhin na yung pagkukutsaba at pag-shortcut ay dapat maalis.
Because of this, Abaya reminded all agencies under the DOTC to follow to the letter the directive of the President. Maintain order in the streets, in the skies, and other places.
Ang instructions na naman malinaw sa lahat ng ahensya ng DOTC, pangunahin yung Daang Matuwid. Yung sinong lumihis dyan sa Daang Matuwid may problema. Kung Daang Matuwid ang tatahakin niyo, din walang problema. Hindi lang po sa ahensya ito, dapat sa lahat ng ahensya sana. At parinig ko lang yun, dahil nung batang Encino ko, yun ang mga realidad nun. So maganda sa unang pagkakataon ay mabanggit ko na hindi tayo kasama, hindi natin ito tolerate, hindi tayo kasagwat sa ganong pamamaraan.
Abaya also said the reported waste dumping in the Subic Bay area is further investigated. For the People's Television, I'm Noel Perfecto.